We returned to the Hampton Inn, room 1215, and we're on the amazing 5x12 matrix, and we are doing circuit analysis, mesh analysis, using now the 4x4 paired numerics corresponding to a 4x4 mesh. And so far we have calculated delta, and we have calculated to be 1368, the voltage value from this by inspection of the 4x4 mesh circuit here. And we have also calculated Ni1, the numerator value, as being equal to what? Minus 22800. And we found Ni1 by simply replacing the first column of the delta matrix by the voltage value. So we're not going to go over that. We have showed you during the previous session. So we see now that I1 was now equal to Ni1 over delta, which is equal now to minus 22800 over 1368. So that's a negative over a positive. That makes it a negative. So we're saying now that I1 is really going in this direction according to this derivation. Okay, let me see if I could find a calculator and calculate that. All right, I'll pick up a little calculator here and let's see if we could get a value for this. Go into a calculator section here. Calculator. All right, so we're taking now 22800. 228,000, and we're dividing it by 1368. Now divide by 1368. That's equal to, said here now, 163.01169.591. So I1 is equal to 163, and that takes on the negative, plus and minus. 0.1169.5, 0.11695, and so on. So all the digits there. Now these small values come in decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They would be significant in small signal analysis, which requires nanoamperes, picoamperes, microamperes, even to 6, 10 to the minus 6, 10 to the minus 9, 10 to the minus 12. These digits would be quite significant. But with these, we deal with currents and voltages in amperes. It won't be that significant. But nevertheless, this is what we get there. But take note that these decimal point small amperes would be quite significant in small signals analysis. Very minute signals in amperes, nanoamperes, picoamperes, microamperes, they will be significant. So I1 is equal to negative 163 amps. So we are saying now that we assume that I1 was going in the clockwise direction, so I1 is really going in the anti-clockwise direction. One. Similarly, now we find I2 by saying I2 is equal now to N I22 over delta. Delta we know is equal to 1368. Now to find Ni2, we're going to replace this by the voltage value. Let's do it now. So we say now that Ni2, the numerator value, would be equal now to 12 minus 2, 0 and 0. Replace this column now by the voltage value, which would be now minus 120. Really 240, your V1 is 240. Minus 120. V3 is 500. And V4 is say minus 500. This is a V1 found from this basic 4-mesh circuit by inspection. We say now V1 was equal to 240 minus 480, which gives us a minus 240. And V2, the voltage in the mesh 2, is equal to 480 minus 600 minus 120. V2 is equal to 500 and V4 was equal to minus 500. So we place the second column, and so the third column